Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And right now we are on the video mode. We can switch to the photo one, but it doesn't really matter because we will open general settings. So let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. Here, let's scroll all the way down and find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. And we just got back to the camera and it means that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.